How to change current country for text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Messages app. Here click on this profile icon. Scroll down and click on Message Settings. Now in Message Settings, scroll down and you will see click on your current country. After click on your current country, so you will select country from here. If you want to change current country, so you will change current country from here. After change current country, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change current country for text message on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.